When it comes to blending, not all blenders are created equal. Enter this Nutribullet full-size blender combo, 1200 watts, matte white, a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance designed to take your nutrition extraction to the next level. With a sleek, matte white finish, this blender combo is not just a practical addition to your kitchen, but also an aesthetic one. In this detailed review, we will explore the features, benefits, and reasons why the Nutribullet Blender Combo stands out in the crowded market of kitchen appliances. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a home cook, or someone looking to improve your dietary habits, this blender combo promises to deliver on all fronts. One of the most impressive features of the Nutribullet Blender Combo is its 1200-watt motor base. This powerful motor ensures that you can blend a wide variety of ingredients with ease, from soft fruits to hard vegetables and even ice. The high power of the motor guarantees that your ingredients are thoroughly blended, resulting in smooth, creamy textures every time. The Nutribullet Blender Combo offers 3 precision speeds, a pulse function, and an extraction program. This range of options gives you full control over your blending process. Whether you need to whip up a quick smoothie, blend a hearty soup, or create a silky sauce, the Nutribullet has you covered. The pulse function is particularly useful for tasks that require short bursts of power, such as chopping nuts or creating chunky salsa. Flexibility is key when it comes to kitchen appliances, and the Nutribullet Blender Combo excels in this area. It comes equipped with both a multi-serving pitcher and single-serving cups, allowing you to choose the container that best suits your needs. The 64 ounces, 1.9-liter blender pitcher is perfect for making large batches of smoothies or soups, while the 32 ounces, 900 milliliters, and 24 ounces, 700 milliliter cups are ideal for single servings or on-the-go use. The Nutribullet Blender Combo is designed with durability and performance in mind. The Easy Twist extractor blade is made of powerful stainless steel and features cyclonic action, ensuring that all ingredients are thoroughly blended. The pitcher and cups are constructed from high-performance, super durable BPA-free plastic, making them safe for both you and your family. The unit's dimensions are compact enough to fit comfortably on most kitchen countertops without taking up too much space. Cleaning up after using a blender can often be a tedious task, but not with the Nutribullet Blender Combo. The pitcher and cups are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. The Easy Twist extractor blade can be rinsed with soap and water, ensuring that you spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your delicious creations. One of the standout features of the Nutribullet Blender Combo is its ability to extract nutrients from your ingredients. The extraction program is specifically designed to break down fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds to their most absorbable state. This means that you get the maximum nutritional benefits from your ingredients, helping you to lead a healthier lifestyle. These accessories ensure that you have everything you need to get started right away. The tamper is particularly useful for pushing down ingredients while blending, ensuring a smooth blend every time. The to-go lids make it easy to take your drinks with you, whether you're heading to work, the gym, or running errands. The Nutribullet Blender Combo is designed with user convenience in mind. The control dial is intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to switch between speeds and functions effortlessly. The blue LED light ring adds a modern touch and makes it easy to see and adjust settings. Durability is a key consideration when purchasing any kitchen appliance, and the Nutribullet Blender Combo does not disappoint. It is built to North American and Canadian electrical standards, ensuring that it meets rigorous safety and performance criteria. The high-quality materials and robust construction mean that this blender is designed to last, providing you with reliable performance for years to come. Customers who have purchased the Nutribullet Blender Combo consistently praise its power, versatility, and ease of use. Many users highlight the convenience of being able to switch between the large pitcher and single-serving cups, as well as the effectiveness of the extraction program. The easy-to-clean design is another frequently mentioned benefit, with many users appreciating the dishwasher-safe parts and simple assembly. Conclusion: The Nutribullet Full-Size Blender Combo 1200 watts matte white is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly kitchen appliance that offers exceptional performance and convenience. With its 1200-watt motor, multiple speed settings, and ability to switch between single-serving cups and a large-capacity pitcher, this blender combo is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their nutrition and enjoy a wide variety of blended creations. The superior design and construction, combined with the comprehensive accessories and hassle-free cleaning, make the Nutribullet Blender Combo a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned smoothie enthusiast, a home cook, or someone looking to improve your dietary habits, the Nutribullet Blender Combo promises to deliver on all fronts. Its nutrient extraction capabilities ensure that you get the most out of your ingredients, helping you to lead a healthier lifestyle. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your nutrition to the next level with the Nutribullet Blender Combo. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make your purchase today. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.